I know you're going through a tough time, and it's perfectly natural to feel this way when we face rejection. But I want you to know that despite the pain you're feeling now, there is wisdom and strength to be found within you. Let's talk a bit about this. The ancient Stoic philosophers, like Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, and Seneca, have much to teach us about dealing with adversity. They believe that while we cannot control everything that happens to us, we can control how we react to these events. This is a valuable lesson that can help us face rejection with more serenity. I highly recommend clicking on the card above, as it will take you to a playlist full of Stoic knowledge on how to deal with rejection. But let's continue the content of this video, and when it's over, go straight to this playlist. Epictetus reminds us that it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Rejection, as painful as it is an external circumstance. What truly matters is how you choose to perceive and respond to this situation. Instead of seeing it as a reflection of your worth, see it as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Rejection may seem like a devastating blow, but it does not define who you are. What matters is how you pick yourself up and move forward. Every experience, good or bad, is a chance to strengthen your resilience and develop your wisdom. Seneca, in turn, taught us the importance of focusing on what we can control and accepting what we cannot. He said, "True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future." By accepting rejection as a part of life and learning to live in the present, you can find an inner peace that transcends life's ups and downs. I'd also like to share a thought from Viktor Frankl, a psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor. He wrote that, "Between stimulus and response there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom." Rejection is a painful stimulus, but you have the power to choose your response. Use that space to reflect, learn, and grow. Remember, you are stronger than you think. The pain you feel now is temporary, but the lessons you can take from it are eternal. Allow yourself to feel sadness, but don't cling to it. Instead, use it as fuel to become an even better version of yourself. You are not alone on this journey. We all face rejection at some point in our lives, and it is by overcoming these challenges that we discover our true strength. Take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, and remember that each new day brings new opportunities. Now you might be wondering, how can I move forward when I feel so down? First, acknowledge your feelings. It's important to allow yourself to feel sadness, pain, and even anger. These emotions are part of the human experience. Denying them only prolongs the suffering. Embrace your feelings with compassion, just as you would for a dear friend. One practice that can help immensely is gratitude. Yes, gratitude. It might seem counterintuitive, but focusing on the good things you still have in your life can significantly change your perspective. Marcus Aurelius, in his most difficult moments, always found time to reflect on the things he was grateful for. Try this. Take a few minutes each day to list 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something simple, like a friend who always supports you, or something deeper, like your own resilience. Another crucial point is self-compassion. Kristin Neff, a contemporary psychologist, talks a lot about this. She teaches us that we should treat ourselves with the same kindness and understanding that we would offer a dear friend in a moment of difficulty. Ask yourself, what would I say to a friend who is going through what I'm going through now? Then offer yourself those same words of comfort and support. Epictetus also emphasizes the importance of understanding what is within our control and what is not. Rejection might not be within your control, but your path from here is. Think about the small actions you can take to care for yourself. Maybe it's a walk in the outdoors, a hobby you love, or simply allowing yourself some time to rest. These small actions are powerful steps towards healing. Remember Seneca's words: difficulty strengthens the mind, as labor does the body. Every challenge faced is a chance to strengthen your mind and spirit. You are building a resilience that will be invaluable throughout your life. It's also important not to isolate yourself. Connect with people who love and support you. Share your feelings with friends, family, or a therapist. Sometimes, just talking about our pains can bring relief and clarity. You don't have to go through this alone. Finally, be patient with yourself. Healing is a process, not an event. Give yourself the time you need to recover and find your balance again. Slowly, you will begin to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Allow yourself to believe that this difficult moment is just a part of your journey and not your final destination. Rejection can be painful, but it can also be a gateway to new possibilities and growth. Trust that you have the strength and wisdom to navigate through this and emerge even stronger and wiser. I am here with you every step of the way. You are stronger than you imagine and deserve all the happiness and fulfillment that life has to offer. Keep moving forward, one day at a time. You will get through this. As you continue on this journey of healing and self-discovery, it's important to remember that progress isn't always linear. There will be days when you feel strong and hopeful, and there will be days when the pain feels overwhelming again. Both kinds of days are a natural part of the process, and neither defines your ultimate path. One of the most powerful tools you can use in this journey is mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment, without judgment. When you find your mind drifting to thoughts of rejection or pain, gently bring your focus back to the present. Engage fully with whatever you're doing, whether it's a simple task like washing the dishes or something more engaging like a hobby or exercise. Meditation can also be incredibly beneficial. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Start with just a few minutes a day of sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. Let your thoughts come and go without clinging to them. Over time, this practice can help you cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity. Another aspect to consider is self-reflection. Journaling can be a powerful way to process your emotions and gain insights into your inner world. Write about your experiences, your feelings, and your thoughts. Over time, you may start to notice patterns and gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your reactions. Physical activity is another crucial element of healing. Exercise releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and help you feel better physically and emotionally. Find an activity that you enjoy, whether it's running, yoga, dancing, or something else. The key is to move your body regularly and let those positive chemicals work their magic. Connecting with nature can also be incredibly restorative. Spend time outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting in your garden. Nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us of the beauty and vastness of the world beyond our personal struggles. It's also essential to nurture your relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Share your journey with them and allow them to be there for you. Human connection is a powerful healer, and knowing you have people who care about you can make a significant difference. Sometimes, the best way to heal is to help others. Volunteering or simply offering support to someone else in need can provide a sense of purpose and perspective. It reminds us that we are part of a larger community and that we can make a positive impact even when we are struggling ourselves. Creativity can be another outlet for processing your emotions. Engage in activities like painting, writing, playing music, or crafting. These creative pursuits can provide a way to express what you're feeling and to channel your energy into something constructive and beautiful. Don't underestimate the power of laughter. Watch a funny movie, read a humorous book, or spend time with friends who make you laugh. Laughter has a way of lifting our spirits and helping us see the lighter side of life, even in tough times. As you move forward, it's important to set small, achievable goals for yourself. These can give you a sense of accomplishment and progress. It might be something as simple as getting out of bed and going for a walk, or as complex as starting a new project. Celebrate each small victory along the way. Reading can also provide comfort and inspiration. Find books that resonate with you, whether they are about personal development, philosophy, or even fiction that transports you to another world. The words and stories of others can offer new perspectives and insights. Consider seeking professional support if you need it. Therapists and counselors are trained to help people navigate difficult emotions and situations. There is no shame in asking for help. It's a courageous step towards healing. Remember to be kind to yourself. Speak to yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. Challenge any negative self-talk and replace it with affirmations of your worth and strength. You are deserving of love and kindness, especially from yourself. Grief and loss often come with a sense of emptiness or a void. It's important to find ways to fill this space with positive and nurturing activities. This could be anything from taking up a new hobby, learning something new, or dedicating time to a cause you care about. Sometimes it's helpful to create a physical space where you can relax and feel safe. This could be a cozy corner of your home where you can retreat to when you need a break. Fill it with things that bring you comfort, like soft blankets, candles, or your favorite books. Listening to music can also be a therapeutic experience. Find songs that resonate with your emotions, whether they reflect your sadness or lift your spirits. Music has a way of touching our souls and expressing what words sometimes cannot. Stay patient with the process. Healing takes time, and it's okay to have setbacks. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Trust that you are on the right path and that every effort you make towards healing is worthwhile. Consider your values and what matters most to you in life. Rejection can often make us question our worth and our direction. Reconnecting with your core values can provide a sense of purpose and guide you towards what truly matters. Self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. Make time for activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. This might include taking a warm bath, reading a good book, or simply getting enough rest. Prioritizing self-care helps you recharge and face challenges with greater resilience. Look for opportunities to learn and grow from this experience. Each challenge in life carries a lesson. Reflect on what this situation is teaching you about yourself, your needs, and your desires. Use these insights to shape your future. As you rebuild, don't rush the process. Take things one day at a time, one step at a time. Allow yourself to move at your own pace and trust that you are making progress, even when it doesn't feel like it. Find inspiration in the stories of others who have overcome adversity. Whether it's through books, documentaries, or conversations, hearing how others have navigated their struggles can provide hope and motivation. Spirituality, in whatever form it takes for you, can be a source of strength and comfort. whether through prayer, meditation, or other spiritual practices. Connecting with a higher power or a sense of greater meaning can provide peace and perspective. Seek out moments of joy and savor them. Even in difficult times, there are moments of beauty and happiness. Whether it's a beautiful sunset, a kind word from a friend, or a small personal achievement, let these moments remind you that life still holds joy and promise. Keep reminding yourself that this is just one chapter of your life, not the entire story. You have many more chapters to write, filled with new experiences, opportunities, and growth. Your journey is far from over. Believe in your resilience. Humans have an incredible capacity to heal and bounce back from adversity. Trust in your inner strength and your ability to overcome this challenge. Lastly, keep hope alive. Even when the road seems long and the destination far away, hope can be the light that guides you forward. Believe that better days are ahead and that you have the power to create a future filled with happiness and fulfillment. Remember, you are not defined by this rejection, but by how you choose to respond to it. You are capable of incredible things, and this moment is just a stepping stone on your path to greater things. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the playlist of videos about Stoicism. Thank you for watching this far. See you in the next videos.